Hey guys, welcome to my physical education newsletter for the month of October. This newsletter is designed to support children, parents, and families in providing resources they need to live a physically healthier lifestyle. Throughout the newsletter for October, I will have resources and techniques and tips and tricks to help my students and families um, get a better, healthier lifestyle. So, on the left here, I have Shape America. I have embedded the strategies for recess in school, so there's a little link there for parents to be able to see. And in here, I have the reflection article that I believe is the reflection of Shape America's idea and what they stand for. So this image here will help you to understand that better. Becoming a member of an organization that will physically change the world. So I have this link embedded here. For this page, I have my choose my plate, and when it was found, a little background information, and then right here I have my link to my plate to help with that, linking them to people directly to choosemyplate.com, and then their goals and what they focus on here, helping Americans consume a nutrient-rich, appropriate diet for each person. Every child is a winner when they try their best. So they're able to try their best when they are feeling good and when they are healthy, and no student is equipped to learn at their best of their ability if they are not nutrient rich. So we got to make sure that we're providing these resources for students to get a nutrient rich diet in them. This article right here talks about achievement goals for achievement in physical education setting. So this article helps to understand how goal setting is and has been used in other physical education activity settings, providing physical educators with strategies and methods they may be successful with in their own environment. So it just helps a lot with educators and the environment. And then over here on the right, I have Go Noodle. Go Noodle is an innovative technique that you can use at home, at school, or in your community just to get your kids moving, take to the park, whatever you want with your phones. But these are the links for families and educators, so you can click on here and then click on the picture to link you to the Go Noodle Impact page and the story behind how they started in 2013. And then for more information, I chose another article here to the left that talks about one's opinion regarding children's rights to quality education. And in there is a fundamental aspect: physical education is definitely needed in schools and more of it. And this person talks about their opinion of this. And if you click on the image here, you will read that article. And lastly, this is my book I chose, Get Up and Go by Nancy Carlson. It talks about how we all come in different shapes and sizes, but doesn't matter if we're tall, short, skinny, or round. We have to respect one's bodies for their own, and we are responsible for taking care of it as well. So living a healthy lifestyle, figured we would end with this, is that it's a great choice to lead a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.